Okay, touch the spout. Yay! What are you doing, Bug?
In the water.
Okay, let the water go. Whee!
I can help you with that. Can I help you with that? Can I help you with that, Daddy? Can I help you with that?
I almost got it, Bug.
What's Daddy gonna do?
And make that.
What is that?
Sprinkler.
A sprinkler?
That.
It's for that one too? Okay, I want to see you go to the whale. Go to the whale. Touch the spout. Touch the spout. Woohoo! You got the whale. My turn. You can do it one more time. Yay! You're getting so good at that.